Company with many design patents, strong order book, and good clientele. Dhabriya Polywood Ltd, a modular furniture manufacturer. Company has over 3 decades of experience in manufacturing PVC profiles, UPVC windows, and modular furniture. About 58% of the revenue is generated from PVC profiles, 25% from UPVC windows, and 17% from modular furniture. The company was incorporated in 1992 and got public in 2014. They are based in Jaipur with more than 700 employees. Company has 5 manufacturing plants in Jaipur, Coimbatore, and Bangalore, with production capacity of 24,000 metric tons for PVC profiles and sheets, and 3 million square feet for UPVC doors and windows. The market cap of the company is 390 crore rupees, and currently trading at 360 rupees per share. The company has 21% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 53% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company markets and sells under its well-known brands, and has 7 registered trademarks, and secured 15 design patents, with a strong network of more than 800 channel partners, and 9 distribution units. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see some foreign and domestic investments in the company. Public holding is dropping, indicating that foreign and domestic investors are buying from the public. Some clients of the company are DLF, Larsen & Toubro, Adani, Emma, Mahindra Life Spaces, Tata Projects, Shapoorji Pallonji, Godrej, ITC Hotels, and more. Company has secured many orders and has a strong order book of more than 140 crores as of March 2025. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.